Hello friends. In this video, I want to teach you how to register on the CEX.io exchange. You go to the exchange section. You select CEX.io and click Go to Website. You enter the website. To register, you click on Register. In the registration section, you can sign up either manually or by linking your account to Google or Apple. We are going to choose the manual option. In the registration section, you enter your country of residence. Additionally, you enter an email address and a password for your account. I recommend using at least 10 characters, and it's better to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. You confirm the website's terms and conditions by checking the box, and then click on Create Account. An email will be sent to you to verify your account. You log into your email. Select the email from CEX.io. Click on Confirm Email. Now we move on to the verification section. In the next video, we will teach you how to verify your account on CEX.io. Good luck!